I do my best to squelch the pubs. I do, do. But now and then the noisy toots, very noisy toots, find an alternative escape route. Belch and squelch and squelch and belch and belch and squelch and
That's what I'm talking about.